We now welcome to the studio Dr. Eleanor, Associate Professor, and Dr. Yangming Wang, Assistant Professor in Chemical and Environmental Engineering. Welcome to you both. So can you start by giving me an overview of the MSc courses that are available in both chemical and environmental engineering, and how students can decide which course is right for them?
Yeah, absolutely. So the University of Nottingham Chemical and Environmental Engineering Department have got quite a wide range of different MSc programmes depending on what really your interests are. So if you're interested in designing the future processes for our energy, pharmaceuticals, food sectors or a wide range of other sectors, then the Advanced Chemical Engineering MSc is a really good choice. This is all about learning how to provide the materials that we need for our everyday life, but in the most sustainable and efficient ways. We then have Environmental Process Engineering MSc. This is for if you have like an interest in solving our environmental issues. So we take a chemical engineering approach, which is actually unique in environmental engineering courses, and we use this and we apply it to challenges in air, soil and water treatment as well. Then we come to food and drinks industry, which actually is one of the largest global industries and with huge demand for skilled engineers, and yet very, very few programs that focus on food engineering. And that's exactly what our food process engineering course does. So it really takes a really good look at the role of engineers in food production and looks at this within a global context. Finally, last but not least, we have sustainable energy engineering. So I really can't understate how important sustainable energy is, not only to address climate concerns but also for geopolitical stability. And what this course does is it equips students with technical skills and also the practical strategies they can do to deploy them no matter which country they end up working in. So as you can see, we have a really great range of courses within our department. Which one you choose is really up to you, what excites you, where your passions lie. All of them will equip you with the professional qualifications and a great career future going forwards.
And what is it about the University of Nottingham, what makes it the ideal choice for studying in these topic areas?
I think there are several factors. I mean, the first one is all the courses are derived from cutting-edge research. It's very relevant currently. And we have a strong industrial link, and then also the courses are taught in a way emphasizing practical practice. So the students learn the theories but also get a strong hands-on experience, so really prepare them for their future careers. And also all the courses are delivered by a blend of academic and industrial experts. So not only they are strong in theoretical knowledge, but also students can learn from years and years or even decades of industrial experience from our experts coming directly from that major sectors. Also, all of the courses are credited by the relevant engineering bodies like IChemE, IOM3. So the degree they get will lead them to chartership or help them to lead to chartership. That also will bring certain edge in career development. And maybe if I can add, the department also provides high quality facilities in terms of laboratories and design studios, which are really important for chemical and environmental courses studies. And also the faculty and department also provide a quite hands-on support in career development and career coaching as well. So overall, it's really strong support for a student's engineering career, I think.
And are there any opportunities for working on real-world projects, and have you got any examples of what students recently have been doing?
Yes, absolutely. All of our students get to take part in some real-world research with the great staff that Yangming was just mentioning. So yesterday I was talking to one of our graduates who graduated several years ago. While he was here, he did a research project in an industrial microwave processing theme, which was an area he knew absolutely nothing about before he started the project. And he developed a real passion for that research area while he was in the group. And in fact, he got on with the supervisors so well that they invited him back to do a PhD in a real-world bioenergy application using microwave technologies. And now, in fact, this has led him to his whole career pathway that he wasn't expecting, which is now he's a senior researcher. He works on a wide range of industrial projects with both small and large companies. And the specific example is a major project that he's leading at the moment with a major multinational to develop a new plastics recycling process.
So if you're a student and you're looking into going into one of these postgraduate courses in chemical and environmental engineering, what advice would you give them?
I think the most important one would be keep your curiosity and be willing to think out of the box, because engineering is all about solving real world problem, and our courses are designed in such a way as well. Really doesn't matter which courses you are interested in. So you really need this willingness to develop a solution. And how to get there, I think you need to be not afraid to ask questions. As I earlier explained, we have really nice combination of experts with a lot of experience, and to be honest, we are eager to share. So students can really get help, plenty of help from not just study itself, but also future career perspectives as well. And also, again, taking advantage of the hands-on approach in our courses, practice, and because our projects are, like Ellie just mentioned, they are highly related to the current challenges. Maybe the last, also, students should pay attention to develop their professional network. So doing an MSc course is really the good opportunity to meet people and participate in community activities, enjoy the group work, and after all, how we learn is not just learn the knowledge from theories, it's also learn from other people. And that's one of the important factors shaping your future career. So I think that's my advice.
And is this a course that's open to international students? And is there any support available to them?
Yes, absolutely. So we have a blend of international and domestic students on all of our courses from all over the world. We know that comes with challenges because people are studying alongside people who have already been through our programs and they know what to expect. So we offer a lot of support specifically from the Centre for English Language Education. We work very closely with them to develop bespoke English language support. So for example, when it comes to answering our style of exam questions, that might be different to what students have experienced in their previous undergraduate studies. So we offer bespoke courses where we show them exactly good and bad examples of how to answer those questions in our style of exams.
So what is the best thing about working at the University of Nottingham?
Oh, it's absolutely the people. I get to work with colleagues from a wide range of academic and industrial backgrounds. I get to teach and learn from students from all over the world. I get to share my passion about engineering and my true belief that engineering can actually lead solving the challenges that we see every time we turn on the TV, which can feel overwhelming at times. As engineers, we really do help to provide the quality of life that we want every day, while also preserving the world for future generations. And, why not do that in Nottingham?
Thank you so much for that and for joining me today.